On April 18, 2025, Iran staged its annual Army Day parade in Tehran, a carefully choreographed display of military hardware and national resolve. Amid heightened tensions with the United States and Israel, the Islamic Republic showcased a Russian-made S-300 PMU2 air defense system, including its 96L6E radar, rolling through the capital streets. The parade, held against the backdrop of ongoing nuclear talks and regional rivalries, served as a calculated signal to adversaries and allies alike, raising questions about the accuracy of Western intelligence and the resilience of Iran's military capabilities. The S-300 PMU2, a cornerstone of Iran's air defense network, is a long-range surface-to-air missile system designed to counter a wide array of aerial threats. Developed by Russia's Almaz-Antey Corporation, the PMU2 variant, delivered to Iran in 2016 after years of delays, boasts significant upgrades over earlier models. Capable of engaging targets at ranges up to 200 kilometers and altitudes of 27 kilometers, it can track and intercept aircraft, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. Its 96L6E radar, a critical component, provides high-altitude, all-weather detection, excelling at spotting low-flying targets like drones and stealth aircraft. The system's mobility, with launchers and radars mounted on wheeled chassis, allows rapid redeployment, a feature that complicates targeting by adversaries. Iran's acquisition of 4 S-300 PMU2 batteries, finalized in a $900 million deal signed in 2007, marked a significant enhancement of its ability to deter air attacks, particularly from Israel, which has long viewed Iran's military buildup with alarm. The significance of the S-300's appearance in Tehran lies in the events of the previous year. In April and October 2024, Israel conducted 2 major airstrikes on Iranian military targets, in retaliation for Iranian drone and missile attacks on Israeli territory. U.S. and Israeli officials claimed these strikes had crippled Iran's air defenses, specifically targeting the S-300 systems. The first attack, on April 29, 2024, reportedly damaged the 96L6E radar of one battery, while the second, on October 26, was said to have destroyed the remaining 3 systems. These assertions, widely reported but never independently verified, fueled perceptions that Iran's ability to protect its airspace and its nuclear facilities had been severely degraded. Yet, footage from the Army Day parade, disseminated by Iran's state media and corroborated by posts on X, showed at least one S-300 battery and its radar in apparent working order, casting doubt on the extent of the damage inflicted. This discrepancy invites scrutiny of the intelligence underpinning Western claims. Misjudging the status of Iran's air defenses could stem from several factors. Satellite imagery, a primary tool for assessing strike outcomes, may have been misinterpreted, especially if Iran employed decoys or camouflage tactics it has used in the past. Electronic warfare, another Iranian capability, could have disrupted targeting systems, preserving key assets. Alternatively, the claims of total destruction may have been exaggerated to project strength, a not uncommon practice in military messaging. The parade's display suggests Iran either repaired damaged systems, retained operational spares, or possibly received support from Russia, though no evidence confirms the latter. Russia, a key ally, has deepened ties with Iran, including arms deals and a 20-year strategic partnership signed in 2024, as noted by Reuters. Such collaboration could extend to technical assistance, though Western sanctions complicate spare parts transfers. The S-300 PMU2's capabilities place it among the world's most advanced air defense systems, though it is not without peers. Russia's own S-400, an evolution of the S-300, offers greater range and multi-target engagement, while the U.S. Patriot PAC-3 system excels in intercepting ballistic missiles. Israel's Arrow system, designed specifically for missile defense, complements its layered defenses, including David's Sling and Iron Dome. Iran's S-300, while formidable, faces challenges in countering stealth aircraft like the US F-35 or Israel's F-35I Adder, which exploit low observable technology to evade radar. Nonetheless, the system's presence enhances Iran's deterrence, forcing adversaries to factor in higher risks when planning airstrikes. Compared to Iran's older systems like the S-200 or domestically produced Bavar 373, the S-300 PMU2 represents a leap in range, accuracy, and survivability.